Alright guys, this is before. I don't know how well. See how yellow that light is? And after. I don't know how well you can see this light output. But you can see before and after. I don't know how well the camera can pick it up. So there you go, that's how you replace them. See you later then. Alright guys, this is how you replace your front headlight bulbs or turn signal bulbs or markers on a 98 to 2001 or 2002 Lincoln Continental. Okay, see this Continental on it? There'll be a screw here and a screw here. Undo those, pry up from the middle, and then you work it on this side and work on there. You see why? Put that out of the way. Then you got a clip here. Ow. And a clip here. Then be very careful. Grab your light from here. It's easier with two hands, guys. This light obviously has never been out. Not like the passenger side. But what you gotta screw with is get it where you can get it out. Like this. There we go. Screw with it, guys. Alright, now you unconnect this bulb, it just splits. Alright, now you got that loose, flip it upside down. You got some work you gotta do. If you guys are just replacing the bulb, there you go, that's your headlight bulb there. Now I have to replace my side marker. And to get the side marker out, okay, this one's backwards. Well, on your passenger side headlight, since that one just being freaking retarded, and it worked right off the bat, this passenger one does not flip down. So, this driver one flips up, the passenger flips up. Well, what I was going to show you, I wish I just did it, go in here with the screwdriver and gently pry them up. Now you guys do have to remove this if you're doing your passenger. I'm just going to get rid of it. All it is to hold the wire in. So I'm going to just get rid of it there because I might have to take this headlight out in the future again. But yeah, that's how you get to your headlight bulbs. And then there's a retainer clip for the passenger side for the harness. But yeah, that's something to be aware on this passenger side, because this harness sits so tight that you can't get it out without removing the harness. So that's how you remove your harness. Now, if you can tell, my harness just flops around. You won't really notice that, but you won't notice it when you get it back in the car. Now you get your assembly back together, you want to make sure that you get your side pin right there. Side pin in there. Just slide it back. Might be a little fight. Might be a little fight, but I'm not reinstalling those connectors, so if you guys do, you guys won't have as much fight. Oh, it is a harness retainer that the factory put on these, so the wires stay. Now, if you can keep them in by just putting the harness back in the groove like I just did. Now I'm able to switch this back around. There we go. Now, it said keep in mind. There we go. It's back in. Now, take your clips. There you go, that's how you remove, install your new balls, put them back in. I'll be back with when I get this part side done and we'll put it back together. One thing I wanted to mention to replace this is there's a turn ring. See what I'm playing with? You gotta turn that, pick up on your, and pull this out. And then there's a retainer clip right there. Let me see if I can do this. Don't touch the bulb, or unless it's a junk one, then don't matter. But you should be able to just lift up on that retainer. Well, both my retainers are broke, so can't tell. Just like falls apart. But if yours does what mine does, be alright. There you go. And that's what we do here. Now, the parts I took off, I already have my other one in the door. Just throw it in your door panel of your car or your glove box, somewhere where they won't get lost or broke. Now we'll just got that back together. And I don't know how well this camera can pick this up, but you can see this bulb just flaking in my hand. So you can keep these bulbs. It'll probably be good for something else, but I got 2 broken bulbs, or the paint's peeling off them. And the element to the bulb I will try later to show you. But the elements are pretty shot. I don't know how well this camera can pick it up, but they're about burned out. So that's why I replaced them. So, now since you got your cover back here, see how there's a tab here and here? Well, when you put this back in, you want to put it on an angle. See how I have it holding up? You want to make sure both grooves are in. There. So I just slid it in. Now if you do like what I did, put your screws where you find them. Now you can just screw them back in. Now you should be all good to go. To put it all back together now. Don't have to be tight, just snug them up. You might get a stupid one like I got right now that does not want to go in this hole. All they need to do is just be a little snug. And I got a stupid one here that will not go in this hole. Well, once you get it in, just snug it. And while you're here, you might as well clean your battery, which I did. Now we should have headlights. Yeah, you can probably see now the difference in them. So there you go, that's how you replace your bulbs. And if anybody wants to know what bulbs I went with the Silver Star, the Sylvania Silver Star. I would recommend get a hold of, those are your pretty decent bulbs, but I would recommend get a set of Sylvania Silver Star Ultimate. Love these bulbs. They're very, very bright bulbs. I run them on the tracker for nighttime running. And you can probably see the difference. I don't know how well that camera can pick up that brightness, but my God, these are like day and night different. Yep, camera can somewhat pick it up pretty good. You can also see it there too on the door, in the garage. And this is about 8:30 at night. You can pretty much see day and night. And I love them. So, there's my conclusion of the bulb replacement on a Lincoln and what bulbs to use. Pay the money, get good bulbs. Don't be a little cheapskate and get the cheapest bulb you can find at the store, at the auto parts store or whatnot. Cheaper they are, the worse they are. And I recommend going with the better end, high-end bulbs. I've always have had good luck with them. So that's my conclusion. So I'll catch you guys later then. See ya.